जो भारतीय टेलीविजन इतिहास में, भारतीय यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म के इतिहास में पहली बार किसी भारतीय यूट्यूब चैनल पर आने जा रहे हैं एडम सीकर। आपने एडम सीकर के लिए लगातार हमारे शो में कहा कि उन्हें बुलाया जाए, हम उनसे सुनना चाहते हैं, उनसे बात करना चाहते हैं। तो फाइनली हमें एक लंबी जद्दोजहद लगी कि हम एडम सीकर को आप तक पहुंचाएं, और एडम यहां पर आज हमारे साथ शो में मौजूद हैं। एडम, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है न्यूज़ नेशन के इस यूट्यूब प्लेटफॉर्म पर। हमारे शो क्या कहता है इस्लाम में बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही थी लोगों की कि वो आपको सुनना चाहते हैं, आपसे जानना चाहते हैं।
First of all, hello everyone. This is your favorite Murtad live this time on News Nation. So thank you so very much for inviting me here. Ji, Krishna, who was a thief and used to makhan chor and all those gods or avatars or whatever. So who has given the sati to the female when the husband dies, the female has to burn, the wife has to burn with the guy, whose gods or avatars were molesting women and all that left, right and center. You are talking about Hindus, okay? Hindus by itself worship devils. Who was Kali Mata? Don't you know that? Haven't you read about Kali Mata? Like, come on, sister. They are devils. They are devils. They are devils. As long as you were not a Christian, they were with you. Now they are against you because you are now follower of the Christ. You will be able to defend anything because our scriptures are very clear. Hindu scriptures, you will not find any Veda before the 9th century. Where is the Veda? So they say we have the oldest religion. Where the hell is the Vedas? Where the hell is the Vedas? Where the hell is the Vedas? You don't find any Vedas. Where are Vedas? You'll find sex system in the Hindus where the Shudras are the worst of the worst creatures and they were only cleaning the shit and all that kind of stuff. In India now, they are giving certain privileges to those low-end classes, so that they could come and become a part of the society. But yet again, they have been molested all their life. Hindus are now changing their scriptures because of the moralities of the world. Now show me this caste system in Christianity. You will never find it. When you talk about Hindus, they are all followers of devils. I have a lot of Hindus who became follower of Christ, and in my Urdu channel I'm going to bring them for their testimonies. I've already planned a few. You guys have literally nothing, living in the gutter. Sanskrit. Where's Sanskrit? Where is the historical evidence of Mahabharata? So Mahabharata happened and there is not a single evidence of it. So these are stories after stories. Krishna, Brahma, all these kind of stupidities. All of your so-called gods are beneath me, under me. I don't even piss on them because my piss is better than your gods. I don't even piss on them because my piss is better than your gods. Because my piss is better than your gods. That's who I am.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करता हूँ दोस्तों आप सभी लोग खैरियत से होंगे, और ये भी उम्मीद करता हूँ दोस्तों कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आया है तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर दीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो फिर इंशाल्लाह फिर मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।